Hello everyone. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night worrying about money? If your answer is yes, you're not alone. Today we're going to talk about something that affects millions of people, but almost no one wants to talk about: financial stress. And no, it's not simply having money problems, it's that constant feeling of never having enough. That knot in your stomach every time you open your bank account, or that dread you feel when the bills arrive. Does checking your bank account with your heart racing sound familiar? Or maybe you'd rather not even look at it. This type of financial anxiety is more common than you think, and its effects extend far beyond your wallet. When we're under financial stress, our body and mind send us clear signals. We start sleeping poorly, we get constant headaches, and we feel exhausted all the time. Emotionally, it's like a roller coaster. One day we're anxious, the next we're depressed, and we end up getting irritated over the slightest thing. But the most complicated aspect is how it affects our relationships. How many times have you argued with your partner about money? Financial stress has the power to create seemingly endless tensions at home. We isolate ourselves from friends because we can't afford to go out, or we're embarrassed to talk about our situation. And here's the most important part. When we're stressed about money, we make worse financial decisions. It's like a vicious cycle. Stress leads us to spend compulsively to feel better, or it paralyzes us so much that we don't even dare to invest in our future. We enter survival mode and lose the ability to see the bigger picture. Many of us link our personal worth to our financial situation. If the numbers don't add up, we feel like failures, even if we're working harder than ever. This shame prevents us from seeking help when we need it most. But there's good news. We can break this cycle. You don't need to be a financial expert to start improving your situation. Start with something as simple as recording your income and expenses. It seems basic, but it's powerful. Creating a small emergency fund, even a minimal one, can give you incredible peace of mind. You don't have to save huge amounts. Small, consistent steps can take you far. It's essential to understand that improving your financial situation is a process. You won't solve everything overnight, and that's okay. The important thing is to get started and stay on track. Some practical techniques that can help. Practice breathing exercises when you feel anxious about money. Make time for physical exercise, which is free and releases endorphins. And above all, don't isolate yourself. Talk to people you trust about what you're going through. Remember, your value as a person isn't defined by your bank account. Money is a tool, not your identity. Millions of people are going through the same thing you are, and it's okay to ask for help. If you feel that financial stress is seriously affecting your mental health, don't hesitate to seek professional help. There are financial advisors and therapists specializing in these issues who can provide the support you need. Every small step you take toward improving your finances is a step toward greater peace of mind. You don't need to make dramatic changes. Small, consistent actions are what make the long-term difference. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone you think might need it. Remember that you are not alone on this journey, and there is always hope to improve your financial and mental situation. See you in the next video. And remember, your mental well-being is just as important as your financial well-being. Take care of yourself.